In this video, we will cover rendering and disabling rules on forms. We've already created a form to demonstrate these rules. We'll start with rendering. We'll select our rendering toggle component and create a rule. The rule component we'll use for this is a render toggle component. Toggle components are used with buttons, or toggles, and turn a rule on or off. The two types of toggle components are rendering and disabling. To show and hide a widget in the form, we'll use the rendering toggle. Now, we'll set the target widget as the widget we want to show or hide. Since toggle actions automatically turn rules on or off, this rule is complete. We can see it working in the designer. As you can see, checking the toggle hides our widget, and unchecking it reveals it. If a widget is initially hidden, then turning on the toggle would reveal it. We'll now cover two different types of disabling rules. The first one will once again be a simple toggle. We'll add a toggling rule component again, but this time we'll add the disabling toggle component. Going back to the default view, we can see the rule working. Finally, we'll show a conditional disabling rule. This rule will disable two text boxes when the text inside them is identical. For this rule, we'll need two sources. We'll add in the second text box under additional sources. To make the rule activate when the two text boxes are equal, we will need an equal when block. Components can be set to equal to a preset value, a result from another rule, or in this case, the text from another component. We'll select form component data for each value, and select the data component we want to use. In this case, we're setting our two text boxes to equal each other. Now, we just need to set our then components. We'll need one for each text box. Since we just want the components to disable once their text values are equal, we can use disable components instead of toggle components. Each disable component can only target one data component, so we'll click the Add button to create a second then component. The rule is now finished. We can see it work in the form preview. Note that when testing these in the form preview, you'll have to enable them again, or they will still be disabled when published. We hope that this has helped demonstrate some of the rendering and disabling rules you can construct with Sellerform. Check out our other videos on the Rules engine, or the designer's help page on semantic rules for more information.